Hello everyone. In this video, let us learn how to install an alternator and identify the parts and terminals of the alternator. At the end of this video, you will be able to
select location, type of foundation, type of fasteners, prepare template, dig pit for concrete mix, place fasteners with template and grout it. Read and interpret the nameplate details, identify parts and terminals of the alternator set. Let us collect the tools, equipment and machinery required for this practical. Ring spanner set, double-ended spanner set,
dial gauge, feeler gauge, ball peen hammer,
cold chisel, round file bastard, flat file bastard, steel rule, crowbar, lead hammer, screwdriver, spirit level, alignment pins, electric drilling machine, 3-phase alternator coupled to suitable motor, multimeter, phase sequence meter, PVC insulated copper wire, test lamp. Install an alternator set. Select the proper place of installation for the alternator set. Select a suitable type of foundation by referring to the manufacturer's instructions. Select a suitable fastener by referring to the manufacturer's instructions. Take the measurement of the bed frame and enter the data in tabulation. Measure the position and size of foundation bolt holes and enter the data in tabulation. Prepare a template for the bed frame. Mark the position of the foundation bolt on the template and drill the frame. Dig the floor at the marked places such that the depth of holes is 15 cm more than the length of the anchor bolt. Mount the foundation anchor bolts in the template and place the template on the ground surface so that the anchor bolts enter the holes already dug in proper position. Check for level using the spirit level. Fill the space around the bolt with thin coarse cement mortar. Allow it to settle down for 8 to 12 hours, then remove the template. Cure the cement mortar with water for a minimum of 2 days. Finish the surface by plastering neatly. Install the alternator set and fix with nuts.
identify the parts of the alternator. Read and interpret the nameplate details of the given alternator and note them down in tabulation.
Identify the parts of the alternator from the real object or form the exploded view chart. Label each part with number and write the name of the parts in tabulation. Identify the terminals of a 3-phase star-connected alternator. In a 3-phase star-connected alternator, 3 windings are internally connected in the star and 4 terminals are brought out to the terminal block. These 4 terminals consist of 3 beginning ends of the 3-phase winding and 1 neutral. Check there is any marking on the terminals and note it down also. If not, give your own marking as 1, 2, 3, etc. Identify the terminals which show the internal connection and measure the resistance in between them and record the readings. Identify the field winding from the terminal block. Only one pair will be independent with marginally high resistance. This pair belongs to the field winding. The other 4 terminals which show continuity between them belong to the star-connected main winding terminals. Out of the 4 terminals, 3 terminals will give comparatively high resistance between them. These are the ends of the 3 coils called UVW terminals. However, the left out terminals out of the 4 will give half the value of resistance when measured between any one terminal of UVW and that terminal. This terminal is the neutral and has to be marked as N. The marking of the three phase terminals as UVW is tentative. The correct phase sequence is to be checked with the help of a phase sequence meter, then only the terminals could be marked as UVW. Mark the terminals accordingly.
This concludes the exercise on how to install an alternator and identify the parts and terminals of the alternator. Hope now you will be able to
select location, type of foundation, type of fasteners, prepare template, dig pit for concrete mix, place fasteners with template and grout it. Read and interpret the nameplate details, identify parts and terminals of the alternator set.
Thank you. See you in next exercise.